Hi everyone. The house built by the brick, but the home is built by the love of everyone. Whether the house or home, I am sure that you want to have one. That's why many people have built a house by hiring the builder. And what happened? There are many cases in the court because of the dispute between the house owner and the builder. Today, I would like to share with you if you want to avoid the dispute, especially if you are the house owner or the builder. The first thing that I would like you to think about is you must communicate better. Example, if you are foreigner and you come to Thailand and want to build a house, I think you might need to give some instruction to the builder. If the builder cannot understand clearly what you want, it might lead to the conflict or the dispute. The second thing is the building agreement. You must to put all the detail, such as how much for the project, timeline, penalty, the resolution in case there is any the dispute. And one area that I would like you to consider, the payment. How to make the payment. Normally you should put in payment by the progress of the work, and you should clearly agree on this area because this is very important in your building agreement. And of course you have to make it in written and sign in front of the witness. Next time I will come to share with you how to make a proper building agreement. For today, thank you very much for listening.